Hi everyone, happy Vlogmas day 19. Wow, is that right? Today is Wednesday, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, it is. So I think I was wrong yesterday all day on the Vlogmas date. I think I said it was the 17th and it was the 18th. So, oh well. So it is Wednesday and I am on my way to work. Happy hump day. And it is a lot later than usual because I have a late meeting today and I just had a late start. I have things around the house that I need to do, but instead I knitted. And I don't feel bad about it at all. So there. My earring wasn't on all the way. And I think I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' Donuts and get myself that coffee that I talked about yesterday, and I'm gonna get one for my manager because he also likes the blueberry Dunkin' Donuts. He's the one that actually told me about it. So I'll get one for him. And I also brought the baby sweater for my friend Ashley, who is one of my employees, but it's for her daughter, so I'm gonna give that to her today. And I brought in some homemade Kahlua for Jake, who is my manager. I think that he will like that. I made them a long time ago, but they shouldn't go bad, so it should be perfectly fine. And it's in a really cute container. I also made some homemade vanilla, so I gave him one of each. If I can find it. Wouldn't that be funny if I didn't bring it? Oh yeah, here it is. I can feel it. So here it is. It's in this bag. And the Kahlua is in a cute little bottle with a fun top opening. It has that kind of a top. And I made these cute labels. I will let you guys look. So that's fun. Wishing you cheer, it says. And then it says Merry Christmas 2012. So it is from then, but I don't think it's bad. And I know the vanilla isn't bad. The vanilla is actually really good. And it gets stronger with age, and there is like real vanilla in there. And I wrote a nice little note on the back. And it says homemade vanilla extract, enjoy on the front, and then on the back it says this vanilla extract has been steeping for about 6 months, longer than that. Quality bourbon vanilla beans. Oh, it consists of vodka and high quality bourbon vanilla beans. When it gets a little low, simply add more unflavored vodka and you will never run out of great quality vanilla extract. Merry Christmas 2012. Ingredients: vodka, vanilla beans, and love. How sweet of me. So this is when I was single and I had some time on my hands to make some stuff, and I made that, and then I also made some limoncello, and I made some flavored vodka too, like Jolly Rancher flavored vodka. That is super easy. You just take unflavored vodka and add some Jolly Ranchers of whatever kind you like to it, and it's fun. So I think that Jake will like this a lot. And we aren't exchanging gifts, but he knows that we aren't exchanging gifts, and he will definitely know that that's from 2012. It's not like it's a new thing, and I told him about it once before and he acted interested. So even if he doesn't like it, it's a cool bottle, if nothing else. And I still use I made 24 bottles of vanilla, and I still use the vanilla. I have one of the originals that I can just add vodka to, and then so what I do is I add vodka to it, and then I put it in the back so that it will steep with the vanilla beans still, and then I have another one that I keep up front that I use. So I don't use vanilla as much as I used to, but it's even good in your coffee. It's just vanilla beans and vodka that you let sit for a long time and it's best to have it in a dark bottle in a dark spot. So that's why I keep it in the back of my cabinet. And I don't let it go out, but I let it get low. I think if I let it go out, I would probably have to replace the vanilla beans just because they've been in there for a while. So yeah, kind of fun. Just an idea for Christmas for you guys for next year or whatever. I ordered the bottles online. I don't remember where, but I think it was called Bottle something, and you can search it out, and they have really cool bottles. The limoncello bottles that I used were kind of, they look like oil bottles, and I made little cute labels for those too. And you could even order the labels and stuff online on Etsy, I'm sure, if you so desire. But it was inexpensive, especially the Kahlua. The Kahlua was very inexpensive because it was just like espresso and I don't remember what now, but it was good. And all those recipes I found by Googling them. And the limoncello had Everclear in it. That was more expensive because it did take quite a bit of limoncello and then quite a bit of like lemon juice. So it was a lot more work having to juice all the lemons and all of that. But it was good. I still have one that I keep in the freezer from then because I don't drink very much at all, and I still have a ton of it left in the freezer just because it's a sipping drink that you would like sip on after a nice Italian meal or something, and I don't ever really think about it, so I just keep it in the freezer, and I can't even remember the last time I had some. It's been probably 3 years or more, I don't know, but it doesn't take up much room and it's there if I want it. So today's my Friday, which is fabulous, so exciting. Going to get some knitting done hopefully tonight. I actually brought some knitting for my meeting this afternoon that I don't know if I'll actually be able to do or not, but I figured I'd bring it with me, and that way if I can, I can, and it won't hurt having it. So I have it, and then I'm hopefully going to finish at least one thing by the end of tomorrow, and I have a couple cowls and a few shawls on the needle. So, and the good thing is that I'm excited about all of them, so that's cool. And hopefully I can finish at least one thing by tomorrow. I am working a little bit on everything, so it's, if I don't get something finished, it's not because I haven't been working on stuff, and it's not because I'm not making progress, it's just because I didn't finish anything. So I'm not too worried about it, just as long as I'm making progress. And then I want to organize our bedroom and my yarn room. My husband has been up there working on some stuff, trying to get it organized, and in the midst of that, he kind of disorganizes mine, which isn't a bad thing necessarily because I need to do it anyway, and it will be a great way to start the new year. So I'm not upset about it. I just need to get up there and do it, and it's kind of hard to do with Katie home, so I don't know, but it'll be all right. I'm gonna find some time to do that before the new year. I might even take a couple of days off between Christmas and New Year's because Katie will be with her dad, and that way I can have just time alone to do some things for myself. So I'm kind of thinking about that, and yeah. So I'm almost at Dunkin'. And for those of you that are interested, I'm getting a large blueberry coffee with 3 creams and 2 Splendas. And I'm getting the same thing for my manager and for me. And then I am heading into the office, and I will either talk to you guys later or I might close the vlog here. I'm not sure which. But either way, I hope that you have a happy day 19 or a happy, just a happy day, because you might not be watching it today. Bye guys. I look like an angel, don't I? That's all right. You can tell me. As long as you agree.